Welcome back to the RUMI tutorial. In the previous video, we captured scan data on-site using the robotic platform. Today, we will visualize and inspect this data on our computer in a web browser. Make sure to upload the captured data to the server from the robot. This process is described in the user manual. Now we'll navigate to the RUMI web page. The URL and your credentials can also be found in the manual. Here we have the RUMI web interface. It allows the user to inspect the buried utility data captured from each scan. Let's select our scan and load it. At first, the interface presents a 3D view of the scanned data. We can zoom in and pan around to better inspect what was captured. Detected utilities captured from RUMI are overlaid onto the map. Clicking a flag in our virtual scene provides the depth information for each captured utility. Here we see that RUMI detected a utility buried about 1.3 meters below the surface. On the left-hand panel, we have a suite of tools that we can use inside this interface. By default, the Select tool is active. This allows us to move around our scene as well as select the objects in it. The Memo tool allows us to drop pins and add customized notes to these data points. We can toggle certain features to give a better understanding of our data. The first option allows us to toggle between 2D and 3D maps. We can hide or display the utility flags and GPR data using these buttons. If these data points are hard to see, we can increase their scale using the size slider. Using the RUMI web interface, we can inspect the data captured from the robotic platform to gain a better understanding of our survey results. This concludes the tutorial for the RUMI web interface. Information about additional features can be found in the manual. If you have any questions, contact us at the address in the description below. Thank you.